Hi everyone and welcome to Maths for Today. Today we are going to play a bit of a game to help us with our maths, and you're going to need three things. You're going to need a texter, a whiteboard, or your book and a grey lead, and some playing cards. And we're going to have a look at adding on 10. So we're doing addition, adding numbers together, and it's going to help us with adding up bigger numbers, which we're going to do tomorrow. So first of all, we're going to have a look at how you actually write these. Because when you have two numbers in your addition, double digits, you have to actually write it a different way. Okay, normally we would write across the page like it's horizontal, but when we do two, we're going to go vertically, we're going to go down. So first thing I'm going to do is show you how to do that. And it's going to be pretty easy because we're always going to start with the number 10. Okay, so let's pretend that I'm going to do 10 plus 5. We pretty much all know the answer for that, but I'm going to show you how we set it out. So, in your book or on your whiteboard, I'm doing my whiteboard because that's what I have. First thing we do is write 10 at the top. So there's a 10. And it's a plus, so I'm going to write a little plus. And what did I say I was going to add on? I was going to add on 5. So I put my 5. Now my 5 has to go here under the 0 because these are the 1s and these are the 10s. And this is place value, which we're going to learn when we go back to school. So for now, just put it there because that's where it goes, okay? And then, you know how we always have an equal sign? For these, there's the equal sign and you write the answer inside it. So let's have a look here. We have 10 and we're going to add on 5 more. And we use counting on. So we've got 10 in my head, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And my answer is 15. Okay? So that's what we're going to do today. And we're going to use the cards to help us. I'm going to do it twice with my cards. You are going to do 10 of these. Okay? So I'm going to show you a couple just so you know what to do. But then you're going to do 10 of them. All right. So I have my playing cards. And I actually have got 10 cards because that's how many we're going to do. And I'm going to pick up my first card. And it is the number 7. So I am going to do 10 plus 7. And I'm going to write it down. So just like we did, the 10 goes at the top. The plus goes here because we're making a plus. And then the 7, and it goes under the 0. Very good. And then how do I make that equal sign? That's right, it goes down the bottom. And let's use counting on. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How do I write 17? It's a 1 and a 0. A 1 and a 7, not a 1 and a 0. 17. All right. Now, mine are looking a bit wild and crazy. When you do them in your book, I'd like you to try making them a bit neater. You could even get a ruler to do the lines. If you're using a workbook that's got lines, then you can draw them on there, and that's way easier. All right. I'm going to do one more. I'm going to put it here. But then when I run out of space, I would go underneath and do them here. Okay? Now, let's see my next card. Now this time, I've got a queen. Okay? And these are the picture cards. And they are going to be worth 11. Okay? So any picture card. So if you get a jack, a queen, or a king, they're worth 11. So what number do I write at the top? 10. So we're always adding 10. Then my plus. And this time it's 11. See how it's got two numbers, so I'll write my two numbers and they match up. There's my equals. All right. Now, when we're counting on, do we count on with the bigger number or the smaller number? That's right, we use the smaller number. So the big number goes in our head and then we count on. So if we've got 10 plus 11, 11 is actually the bigger number. That's going to go in our head and we're going to count on 10 more. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, which is a 2 and a 1. And I write that down there in my equals. 2, 1, 21. Okay? And that's the biggest number that you can actually get in these because it doesn't go bigger than 11. So that is what I would like you to do today. you're going to pick out 10 cards and you are going to add 10 plus whatever that card is. Okay. I want you to try and set it out like I've done. It is the first time we've done it, so give it your best try. Okay. Good luck. I hope you do really well.